My name is Ilka Andrade, aka Ideally Ilka, and welcome to Island Cuisine. Today I have a video that's a little bit different than what you guys are usually able to see. I usually do cooking tutorials, but today I have something cooking for your closet. I wanted to organize my closet. I spent a good deal of amount of time figuring out what to do and came up with 3 very inexpensive way to make your closet look like a Hollywood set. The first tip is make sure that all your hangers match in color. So if you pick a theme to have all your hangers be black, then have your whole closet with black hangers, or have your whole closet with white hangers. I've even seen whole closet with gold hangers, which I thought was really pretty. But I was on a budget. The black ones, the velvety thin black ones, were the most economical and they looked the best for me. So I chose to color coordinate my whole closet with black hangers. The next thing that was important to me is make sure that I utilize all the vertical space I have in the closet. I have a lot of space. So what I did, I purchased an item, also very economical, fairly inexpensive, and it's like a hanger. You hang it and it goes down, and you can hang your bottoms underneath suit jackets. I do have to wear suits sometimes. So in the bottom I have this hanger that you buy. I'm also gonna have it in the link below where you guys can shop the items that I had. The next tip that I have, which I absolutely love, and it's really inexpensive. I love things that are like beautiful, functional, good quality, but also easy on the wallet. What I have is these lights that you don't need any wiring. They come with a sticker and you stick it on your wall, and it illuminates your closet. It illuminates your clothes and everything else that you have in your closet, and it's a game changer. Absolutely love it. I live in California, so even, you know, sometimes we do have to be scared of earthquakes and stuff like that, so having that extra light is really good. Just in case there's an earthquake, at least I have some lights in my closet. I can still find my clothes. Because the lights are battery charged. So yeah, those are the 3 things that you can do. I have some other things in my closet too that made a difference, but the 3 things that I would highlight is to have all your hangers color coordinated and matching. Make sure you take use of all the vertical space that you have in your closet, and make sure it's well lit. So that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and make sure anything you do is ideally you. Thank you. Bye.